Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Bill Boy Effects, and this is a currently running trade which I allowed to run for a while. After giving it to my VIPs, I'm gonna show it to you right here. Okay, so this is my Telegram channel, and this is our VIP channel, and here we have the Boom 1000. Yeah, okay. So here is the signal to buy the Boom 1000. And we were able to hit our TP. Okay, we were able to hit our TP while running for other with two more positions. Okay, you have to secure your profits and hold on to a few positions. And earlier today we were already on the crash 300 as well. We also gave the signal on the crash 300, and here was crash 300 crashing and giving us much profit. I had to close two after securing at least $500, okay, this morning, and here was the free fall. So I'm going to be showing you guys the indicators I use to catch the spikes, and also the trading analysis I used, the trading strategy I also used to achieve this result. So aside from the crash 300, this was the crash 300 early in the morning before the Boom 1000, and before then we already played out with the VIX 100. So please, if you haven't joined the Blue Boy team, I advise that you do so. Check the description of this video. You are going to find the link to our free Telegram channel, which is free to join. And for those of you that want to join the VIP, check the description of this video as well. You're going to find the link to my WhatsApp, and you can hit me up, okay, for account management, for mentorship if you want to learn. And for those of you that wants to pass your Profem, you can still hit me up. I'm available. We can also talk about a lot of stuff as well. So if this is your first time on this channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like the video, join our free Telegram channel. Don't forget about that. Join our free Telegram channel. So right now we are on the Boom 1000, and as I told you, we've given this trade already. Okay, we were able to secure to hit RTP1. Well, I told them that we are going to be using these remaining positions to go to the moon, and not literally going to the moon, but I told them that we are going to be using this to hit the market. So see, at this juncture, I'm going to the moon with the remaining positions, and truly, we are heading for the top. So, to cut the long story short, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the indicator I used. First of all, we have the MACD, which has the fast EMA of 12, slow EMA of 26. The MACD SMA is 6. You apply to close, no levels, all time frames. You can use any color. When you're done, you go back to add the moving average, which have a period of 2, shift 0, linear weighted, first indicator data. That's how you apply the levels, no levels, time frames, all time frames, and use any color. Then you go back to the Bollinger Band. We have the period of 200, shift 0, deviation is 1.5. Apply to first indicators data, no levels, time frame is all time frames. Style, you can use any color as well. Then when you're done with this, you click on done and you go back to the charts. Now you've seen that this is the upper band and the lower band, and we have the moving average and the MACD running as well. So now, how do you know when to get into this trade? It's very important that you know that you are trading. Is it an uptrend or is it a downtrend? This is what you have to know first. So for that to be possible, you go onto the higher time frame, and you've seen that there's been a very huge fall. Okay, very huge fall. And also you can also see that I have my analysis here. You see, down here is my support, resistance, and another level here. And dealing on the higher time frame is very important because it takes away the noise in the market. Of course, I don't just depend fully on indicators. Okay, I make use of indicators, and I barely make use of indicators, but I prefer using price action. Okay, whereby I do my analysis and get everything right and wait for the right time. So if you can look closely here, you'll notice that this place has been a support and a resistance to this level. Market coming up here couldn't break the resistance. Breaking the resistance, it couldn't break this other one. It came down to retest this previous resistance, now which now turned to a support before market went away and returned to this level again weeks after. So that's why you have to be very sure of your analysis. Always run it up. Okay, always run it up. So when market got to this level here, what do you expect? You expect to buy, because on the higher time frame over here, we've seen that this support held. So when market got to this level again, okay, it came here, and there was a retest around here. If you go on the lower time frames, you're going to observe this, that when market came, it came here, couldn't break this region, came back again and couldn't break. And once it formed it broke this level and went up, came down to this level again. That's when we now decided to get into this trade. And we took our first TP, I think, around somewhere here. Then we are looking forward to market getting to this level for us to close out and move on to other things. But be sure to know that we have secured enough profit that even if the market should go wayward, we are still going to be profitable. I just have 2 positions running and it's still running in profit. Now I know you're going to be bored. You want to know how to use this indicator. Okay, now let me show you how to use this indicator. First and foremost, we've seen that this is a downtrend here, but right now market has been building up using, if you look at the lower time frame, market has been building up, giving us an upper trend. Now it's important that you use the higher time frame to know what's up in the market. Of course, you saw it was a downtrend, but on the higher time frame, we saw it was a downtrend, but it got to a level that we couldn't ignore, and that's the support from which market started buying again, which gave us entry into the market. Okay, so now you've seen that we have the 5 minutes, and here is the 5 minutes I'm going to use to explain this indicator settings, which is not 100%, because it's with price action I was able to pair this together. Okay, but that notwithstanding, this is very simple to understand. It's a downtrend here, and right now market has been doing some sort of dubious moves around here. Let's say this region here is been ranging. Okay, but let's see if it's gonna break, as it's broken here at this level. Let's bring this, as it has broken here at this level. Okay, we expect market to keep spiking because this level has been ranging until the spikes came and broke it. Okay, so now the 5 minutes time frame is running, yeah, and now we have the indicator, our Bollinger Band and everything, the indicators running also. Now, how does this work? If you want to buy, now we have, let me just use this place as an instance. Here is the upper band and here is the lower band. Now, how do you get into this trade? If you want to sell, okay, if you want to sell, what you look out for is when the MACD gets above the upper band. Okay, when the MACD gets above the upper band and you realize that there is a crossing of the MACD with the moving average, okay, on the upper band, above the upper band, you go in for your sell. Okay, you go in for your sell. So that's what happened here, and market has been dropping till it got to the lower band. Okay, that's how to go in for your sell. And well, let me just say this: for you to have a major buy or a major entry, you should wait for market to get to our level. Okay, you should wait for market to get to the upper band if you want to sell. That's if you want to scalp profit, you have to wait for it to get to the upper band before you go in for your sell. And if you want to catch spikes, it's quite very simple. It's just for you to do the opposite, but be patient for market to get down to the lower band. And once it gets to the lower band, when you see that the MACD is below the lower band, okay, and the moving average crosses the lower band, crosses the MACD, you going for your buy, and there you'll be catching spikes till it gets to this top. So imagine repeating this from time to time. You will realize that you've made a couple of bucks, okay, because you're scalping, catching spikes, scalping and catching spikes using an appropriate lot. So now let's just backtest this. Same thing here, went over here, came down. Although this didn't go below the lower band, but always watch out for a crossover of the MACD and the moving average. Okay, always watch out for the crossing over of the MACD and the moving average. Okay, which is very important. So this is very easy to understand. Okay, it's very easy to understand. As you've seen on the Crash 300, we used price action, yeah, and here too we're able to also use price action. So that's why whenever I say I use price action to trade, I'm not discouraging you from using your indicators, but don't depend fully on it. I keep saying this, don't depend fully on this. Today we've been able to catch spikes on Crash 300, a lot of spikes. There was a time that it was just coming in every second, we're just catching spike, and we're able to also catch spike on the boom. Okay, so now when you want to use this, make sure you apply what I've just told you. Okay, use the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, now use the the second zoom level. Okay, that's 0 1. This is 1. When you've rejected everything to the list, you now increase it by just 1 zoom, and now look out for market getting above the upper band or getting below the lower band, and looking out for a crossover of the moving average and the MACD. So these are the things that you have to take note of. Okay, and also if you want to learn effectively how to trade without using indicators, without depending on, because without indicators, you are going in for a kind of long-term trade somehow. Okay, but if you're using indicators, you just want to scalp. That's a short-term kind of trading. Okay, you just scalp, take profit and leave. Okay, like now, let's see what's on the present is that market is yet to come down to this level. So the best thing is for me to wait for market to come down to this level, and I'm going to buy again, catch some scalps till it gets to this level. So guys, make sure you try this on your demo account before trying it on your live account. Okay, make sure you have an edge over the market using this indicator on your demo first before going in on your live account. So if this video was useful to you, please like the video, share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check the description of this video. Just click on the description, you find the link to my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp number in case you want to reach out to me. So I'm very much available for you. Just hit me up and I'll be there to answer you. So guys, I want to appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things. Don't let anyone take away the belief that you can make it from the forex market. I mean, waking up to $500 in the day. Whoa. The VIPs are eating every day. Whoa. So what are you waiting for? You're just on the byline going to watch. No problem. It's okay if you want to just stay on the byline and watch. But don't forget that making money in Forex is actually easy, but it's hard at the same time. That's why I said Forex is the hardest way to make the easiest money. The hardest way is because you have to put in handwork, you have to stay on the chart, you have to follow up every bit of it. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching my video once again, and I will see you on the next video.